video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this Bellatrix Lestrange inspired makeup look and hair. It's pretty simple. The hair did take me a while, but there's other options. You know, you don't have to do the same thing I did. But yeah, I just think it's a really fun Halloween look, and I don't know, it's just kind of fun to act crazy. And the lighting will change quite a bit throughout the video, and I apologize for that. It's just because my hair took so long that it got dark out. So yeah, you might notice that. But if you want to see how I did this, then let's get into it. Alright, so to start off with, I'm going to do just a base layer of stuff. So for my well, I never really use foundation anymore, and I just don't really like how thick it feels. And I usually use a combination of an e.l.f. and a NYX concealer because each on their own don't really work on my skin, so I just use a combination. But for this look, I'm just going to use the NYX one just because it's a little bit lighter. And this is Porcelain, I believe. It's the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I'm going to be applying more than I normally would just to kind of try to make myself look more pale. It also helps if you already look rough as hell, like I do, because I didn't get to sleep until like 5 this morning, and I had to go to work, so it was a fun day. And I just use my finger to blend it in. I don't really like beauty blenders because I don't like using sponges, and I just don't like to have to wash my brushes all the time. So that's why I just use my fingers. I might actually go on with the other concealer. I am going to use both. So I'm using a translucent powder from e.l.f. And again, I'm going to use more of this than I normally would, just because it's, you know, I'm trying to make myself look pale, and that should help. Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics Supernova palette. And I'm going to start with the color Scorpio. And I'm just going to do that all over my lids, kind of focusing on the outer corners and bringing it under as well. This is darker than I expected. Okay, so I'm probably not going to go too crazy with that, actually. So yeah, I'm just kind of bringing it down, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out. It's not quite so harsh. I'm going to go in with the Gemini, which is a lighter silvery gray. I'm going to use that color and bring it kind of down the inner under corners. And it is almost like a bruised look, kind of under her eyes. It's a little bit red. Let's go with Neutron. Just going to try a little bit of that at first. Now we're talking. Now I'm going to bring that same shade up in the inner, whatever this part is. Now I'm going to take this kind of fluffier brush, and I'm going to kind of hollow out my cheekbones a little bit. And since this was so dark, I'm going to start with the lighter color Gemini and darken it if I need to. Good choice. Blend. I'm probably just going to use my natural brows. Pretty thick. So I'm just going to brush them out a little bit. Make them just a little bit more arched. I'm actually gonna skip the liquid liner, which is very difficult for me. but I'm just going to do some pencil. And it's a little bit heavier under the eyes than the top, so that's what I need. Actually, I'm not going to do any on top. But I am going to do some mascara and try not to go, like, I'm not going to do too many layers, just kind of to coat the lashes. I might highlight a little bit, just to kind of try to make my cheekbones a little more prominent. Just use my finger to do that. I'm using the shade Libra. I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie in Embellishment. And again, I'm not going to go too heavy with that. Plus I still have the chapstick on, which actually kind of works. I like it. Kind of blends it in a little bit. Now on to the tedious part, is hair. I need to plug in my straighter. So for the hair, you could do an overnight thing, but didn't want to do that. I wanted to film this tutorial. So if you also don't want to do that, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start by brushing the hair. Do strand. You can see here I tested this strand already, so we'll redo that one. So I'm actually using a round pencil. And I'm just going to wrap a small section of hair. Take my straightener. Clipping all the way around. And voila! Got a very small ring light. This is going to take me forever. And I'm going to do different, I'm not going to do them all the same way. That way it's a little more sporadic. The thing is, these really don't have to be perfect because we're going to kind of separate them. It has gotten significantly darker out, so I apologize. Now I'm just gonna kind of separate the curls and hopefully kind of give some volume. So her hair's kind of swooped over to one side pretty dramatically. And then it's kind of, there's almost like a bit of a bun, I guess, or something. Here kind of pinned up. Oh yeah, that works. Okay. So I'm just gonna pin that in place. Just gonna play with it until it looks how you want it to look. So we are done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like down below. I would really appreciate it. If you want to subscribe so you can see more from me, feel free to do so. I would love that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.